Hi, Becca here of The Balanced Bloom Life, and today I'm going to show you how to hack with Maskcara Beauty, starting with your highlight first. I'm going to take the pointed end of my 30-second hack, and I am using the color Candlelit. Now you want to place this under your eyes in like a pie piece shape, triangle. And really the highlight is going to go all over your face. You can leave the sections where contour is going to go, like on the sides of your nose, the top of your forehead. But really highlight can go anywhere. I like to do highlight first, or recommend highlight first, if you have a lot of redness, acne, blemishes, because you can kind of go a little bit more of the traditional route and apply it as a base if you want a more full coverage, and then add the contour on top. The contour is also, or it can also be used as coverage, so you don't have to worry too much about filling in that area, those areas, but it's really all about preference on what you want to do first. So that's why I have both tutorials when doing contour first and when doing highlight. In this one I am not really going over, the sections I talked about on the very top of my forehead, the sides of my nose. I have a red end of my nose is a bit red, so I like to cover that with the highlight first. But if I put any under my cheekbones, it's very little. Now I'm going to go with the contour, and I am using the shade Olive. I flip the brush over to the more fluffy, dense end. What I'm going to do is angle the brush up and press it against my cheekbones. And kind of just stipple it on. You want to start right at the top of your cheek, the top of your ear, rather, and then bring it down and curl it up just a little bit at the most prominent part of your cheekbone. A good rule of thumb is to stop about where the outer edge of your pupil of your eye starts. A good rule of thumb to know you're not going down too low is to follow the line from the top of your ear to the edge or the corner of your bottom lip, and you don't want the contour to go any lower than that. Gives you a bit of a more defined bone structure. Now I am putting on pink grapefruit here. This is the lip and cheek. A good rule of thumb for putting on blush is 2 finger lengths away from the nose and 2 finger lengths away from the eyes. That's a good spot to place it where you know it will leave you looking lifted and more youthful. Placing it lower kind of will drag your face down. I like to take the colors now and blend them together, kind of the contour and the blush, just so they appear more natural. And if I feel like I have gone up moved up past those 2 finger lengths, I'll just flip over the brush without applying any more makeup and just kind of blend it over. Now for the illuminator, I take this with my finger and I just tap it on. This is one of our cream illuminators. We also have powder illuminators with a very beautiful brush for those, but the cream illuminators work well with just your fingers, and the cream ones are also great if you like a more natural look. Will give you that shine and that candlelit glow without too much. Now, last thing I do is I take my sponge and my stay spray and I'll spray that on. You want to use a damp sponge, so I dampen it with water and then wring it out and dab it with a towel. Then I add my spray directly to the sponge instead of spraying it to my face. I find this works the best. There you go. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, subscribe.